Sugar spike alert. If you're managing diabetes or trying to keep your blood sugar steady, some fruits can be sneaky. Today, I'm breaking down 3 popular picks that can hit your bloodstream faster than you think. Bananas, raisins, cherries. I'll explain why, how much matters, and what to do instead, so you stay in control without feeling deprived. First up, bananas. I get it, they're convenient, they feel healthy, and they're everywhere. A medium banana packs around 27 grams of carbs, most of it sugar. As bananas ripen, their starch turns into quick sugar. A spotty, super ripe banana can push your blood glucose higher and faster than you expect. They're easy to overeat because they're soft and go down quick. What I do instead goes smaller and greener. I pick a small, slightly green banana and eat half. I pair it with protein or fat, like a spoon of peanut butter or a handful of nuts. That slows absorption. Or I swap to lower sugar fruit berries, kiwi number 2 raisins. Think of raisins as grapes on fast forward. Drying fruit removes water and concentrates the sugar. A tiny quarter cup of raisins can pack around 30 grams of carbs with very little fiber or water to slow it down. Translation: they hit hard, fast, and the portion looks small, easy to triple by accident. My move: if a recipe calls for raisins, I cut the amount and add nuts or seeds for crunch. If I want that chewy vibe, I use a few raisins, like 1 tablespoon mixed into Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and nut mix. Or I switch to whole grapes, more water, more volume, fewer total carbs per handful. Number 3, cherries. Delicious? Absolutely. But sweet cherries can be deceptively sugary by the bowl. A big handful here, another handful there, and suddenly you've eaten the carb equivalent of dessert. Dried cherries and cherry juice are extra concentrated sugar with little fiber. Those can spike you fast. How I handle it? I keep it tight, about half a cup, and I pair with protein like cheese sticks, almonds. Canned cherries in syrup and cherry juice are a pass for me. If I want the flavor, a few cherries chopped into a protein-rich snack, not a giant bowl on an empty stomach. Quick system to dodge spikes. Portion measure once, eyeball later. Half a banana, 1 tablespoon raisins, 1/2 cup cherries. Pairing: add protein, fat to slow the sugar rush. Nuts, yogurt, eggs. Timing: eat fruit with a meal, not alone, and not right before sitting for hours. Movement: a 10-minute walk after eating can blunt the spike. Feedback: check your meter or CGM 2 hours after trying a fruit. Your numbers: generic rules. It's not never, it's know your dose and your context. If a food reliably spikes you, flag it for rare occasions and plan around it. Fruit options that play nicer: berries, grapefruit, kiwi, melon, especially when paired smartly. Quick recap: ripe bananas, raisins, big bowls of sweet cherries, dried cherries. Cherry juice can be sugar landmines. Keep portions small. Pair with protein or fat. Choose fresher, water-rich options. Use your meter to personalize. If this helped, drop a comment with the fruit that surprised you most and what you're swapping in instead. Take care of your numbers, and they'll take care of you.